Hi everybody, welcome to Jay's How-To channel. I'm Jay, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix a weak flushing toilet or a lazy flushing toilet. So in Florida, we have heavy water and it's loaded with minerals. It's got calcium and lime. So the calcium builds up and lime deposits on the inside of the toilet. So let's go into the house. We'll get this straightened out, and I'll show you how to fix everything. All right, here we are back at the toilet, and as you can see, this toilet isn't flushing very well. Sometimes you have to flush it twice to get the waste to go away. Now I'm going to test this toilet to make sure that it's not clogged. I'm using a bucket here to pour, and yeah, you can see that it's not clogged right now. So in conclusion, it's the jets that are causing the problem. Okay, we're going to scrub this toilet clean. Remove any bacteria and any debris that's underneath the rim of the toilet. We're going to come in with some duct tape here in a minute, and you just want this surface to be super clean so that the adhesive will stick to it. All right, we're shutting off the water supply, flushing the toilet, and now we're removing the water with a shop vac. Yeah, we get it all nice and dry in the bottom here. And now I'm coming in with my garage towels. I keep a stack of towels in the garage that sometimes they get holes in them, sometimes they're stained or whatever, but I keep a stack of these towels in my garage just for this purpose, and sometimes other projects as well. There it is, nice and dry. Now we're coming in with some duct tape. Now the duct tape's not going to stick if the toilet is wet at all. So we need to really get a dry seal and make sure that the duct tape's going to stick. And you can see here that it's really sticking very well. Speeding this up for you guys. And now pressing all the jets underneath the rim so that it's got a good seal. Okay, now we're coming in with some vinegar. Now, the vinegar, you've got to pour it down the overflow spout. Now, that's right here, and you can see me pouring right into that. Now we're going to wait a few hours, and then come back again and add a little bit more vinegar. Vinegar is acidic, and the calcium and lime can neutralize the vinegar. So wait a few more hours, and now we can come in and remove the duct tape. Now this is vinegar sitting in the bottom of the toilet, and I think this is where my problem was. This main jet, the siphon jet that's in the bottom of the toilet, that one probably wasn't working well. Waiting 6 hours probably dissolved whatever calcium was in that jet. Now we're inspecting these jets. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys the before picture of these. They were pretty clogged up. And now we've got a really strong flush. So I hope you guys got good value out of this. Please press that like button and subscribe if you liked my content. And thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys.